In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enroll merged contacts in a contact-based workflow in HubSpot. This is especially useful if you're cleaning up duplicate records and want to trigger automation whenever contacts have been merged. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up the correct enrollment trigger so any merged contact is automatically added to your workflow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and step-by-step CRM guides. All right, let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where all of your main tools are organized. To access workflows, click on Automation in the left sidebar. When the menu expands, select Workflows. This will take you to the Workflow Management area where you can create new workflows or manage existing ones. Now that you're in the Workflow section, we're going to create a brand new contact-based workflow. In the top right corner, click on Create Workflow. HubSpot will prompt you to choose how you want to build your workflow. Select From Scratch so we can fully customize the enrollment trigger. Then click Next to continue. At this stage, you'll need to choose the workflow type. Make sure you select Contact-Based Workflow. This is important because merged contacts are contact records, and we want the automation to run specifically on contacts. Once selected, proceed to the workflow editor. Now we're going to set the key part of this entire setup, the enrollment trigger. Click on Set Enrollment Triggers. In the search bar that appears, type in Merged Record IDs. This is the property HubSpot automatically populates when a contact has been merged. Every time two contact records are merged, HubSpot stores the previous record ID inside this property. From the list of properties, select Merged Record IDs. Then choose the condition Is Known. This condition means that the property contains a value. In other words, if the Merged Record IDs field is known, that contact has been merged at some point. This is exactly what we want to target. After selecting Merged Record IDs is known, click Apply and then click Save. Now your workflow is configured to automatically enroll any contact whose record shows that it has been merged. Next, it's time to add your workflow actions. Click the plus icon inside the workflow editor to add an action. From here, you can choose whatever automation makes sense for your process. For example, you might want to send an internal notification to your team letting them know a contact was merged. You could update a property to flag the contact as cleaned or verified. You could add the contact to a list, send a follow-up email, or even trigger another workflow depending on your automation strategy. Take your time to build out the actions that align with your business needs. The key thing to remember is that every contact with a known merged record ID's value will now pass through these steps automatically. Once you've added your actions, click Review in the top right corner. HubSpot will show you a summary of your enrollment triggers and workflow steps. Double-check that the trigger says Merged Record IDs is known. This ensures the workflow will only enroll contacts that have actually been merged. If everything looks good, click Turn On or Publish to activate the workflow. From this point forward, any contact that has been merged and has a populated Merged Record IDs property will automatically enroll in this contact-based workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact-based workflow in HubSpot that enrolls merged contacts automatically using the Merged Record IDs property. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot automation guides. Let me know in the comments what other workflows you'd like to learn about, and I'll see you in the next video.